तो अभी क्या पढ़ेंगे? अभी थर्ड टॉपिक, कुछ पता है क्रेब्स साइकिल के बारे में? व्हाट इज क्रेब्स साइकिल? इसका और कुछ नाम है क्रेब्स साइकिल का? हाँ, सेट्रिक एसिड साइकिल एंड आप फुल फॉर्म बोल तो रही थी। हाँ, सो ऑक्सीडेटिव डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन एंड क्रेब्स साइकिल। ऑक्सीडेटिव डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन इसका मतलब क्या है? रिएक्शन विथ presence of oxygen. No, that actually it's defined as that carboxyl group get oxidized and removed and produce carbon dioxide. The decarboxylation, the carboxyl group, oxidation of carboxyl group. So what is the starting point of Krebs cycle? So the first step is that oxaloacetate plus acetyl-CoA gives. फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है क्रेब्स साइकिल का? ऑक्सलोएसिटेट प्लस एसिटल-CoA gives citrate. So that acetyl-CoA comes from that pyruvate. Now pyruvate to acetyl-CoA enzyme. By that this allosteric regulation. What is allosteric regulation? फिजियो में पढ़ा होगा शायद, कहीं तो पढ़ा होगा एलोस्टेरिक रेगुलेशन, यहाँ पे भी पढ़े हो। So that coenzyme binds in protein other than the active site. So this is the allosteric mechanism. So allosteric regulation. So the first acetyl-CoA comes from the pyruvate by that allosteric regulation. Then that pyruvate to acetyl-CoA that converts in presence of which enzyme? TH को छोड़ के और कोई मुंह खोलेगा? रिविजन क्लास है तुम लोगों का। पायरुवेट डिहाइड्रोजनेज कॉम्प्लेक्स, the PDHC complex. Then it goes to in Krebs cycle, reacts with oxaloacetate. So that TCA cycle, Krebs cycle or the tricarboxylic acid cycle shown as a part of the essential pathways of energy metabolism. So this is the final oxidative pathways for the lipid, carbohydrate and protein. The final metabolic, the oxidative pathway, that Krebs cycle. So this is the cycle that in short. So what are the steps? So this is the final common pathway for oxidation and exclusively in mitochondria. In which part of mitochondria? The Krebs cycle happens in which part of mitochondria? Matrix. In matrix of mitochondria. Except, so all enzymes that reside in matrix of mitochondria for Krebs cycle, except one enzyme. What is that enzyme? Succinyl dehydrogenase. So it stays in inner mitochondrial membrane. The only exceptional that enzyme. The rest stays in that matrix of mitochondria. So the major source for ATP is the Krebs cycle and the mainly catabolic. So this is an amphibolic pathway. The Krebs cycle is an amphibolic pathway. So amphibolic means so both catabolic and anabolic. So what are that catabolic pathway in Krebs cycle? The catabolic step is that acetyl-CoA. This is the catabolic step, and anabolic step is that succinate, alpha-ketoglutarate and that succinyl-CoA. These three is the anabolic step. Okay, one is catabolic, three is anabolic. So this is an amphibolic pathway. Krebs cycle is an amphibolic pathway. So these are the features. These features are like that citrate change, that cycle, that citrate and that alpha ketoglutarate and succinyl-CoA gives this, that glucose from amino acid non-essential amino acids, fatty acid and heme. So this is the step now that acetyl-CoA and oxaloacetate gives to citrate. Acetyl-CoA and oxaloacetate gives citrate in presence of enzyme citrate synthase. The first step, and the second step is citrate to isocitrate. Citrate to isocitrate in presence of aconitase. The cofactor for aconitase enzyme is Fe2+, cofactor. So that aconitase enzyme involved in iron homeostasis. This enzyme. So the cofactor is Fe2+, ferrous iron. The next step is the isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate. Isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate in presence of isocitrate dehydrogenase. And the cofactors are, there are some cofactors in this step also. Cofactors are, उल्टा मत बोलना, पता मत हो तो मत बोलना. Cofactors are manganese and magnesium. Manganese and magnesium are the cofactor. So here is the production of one NADPH. So one NADPH equal to how many ATP? 2.5. So this is the first oxidative decarboxylation step. First step. Then next is alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl-CoA. The second oxidative decarboxylation step, and in presence of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. Then succinyl-CoA to succinate. The next step is succinyl-CoA to succinate in presence of succinate thiokinase. And the cofactor magnesium. Cofactor magnesium. So this in previous step also there is one NADH. So 2.2, 2.5 plus 2.5, 5 ATP. Then succinyl-CoA to succinate, the cofactor is again magnesium. Then here succinyl-CoA to succinate, there is one production of 1 GTP. So guanosine triphosphate, 1 GTP equal to 1 ATP. So 5 plus 1, 6 ATP. Then succinate to fumarate. In presence of succinate dehydrogenase. So this is the only enzyme which happens that resides in that inner mitochondrial membrane, the exceptional enzyme. So there is again one FADH. So one FADH equal to 1.5. So previous that's 6 and again 1.5. So 7.5. So succinate to fumarate, the cofactor is, there are also cofactor. Succinate to fumarate, see that FADH na. So the cofactor is FAD plus, cofactor is FAD and iron sulfur protein, FES protein. Cofactor is FAD and FES protein. Then succinate to fumarate and fumarate to malate. In fumarate to malate in presence of fumarase. भाई एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन करो, रिविजन क्लास चल रहा है. ऐसे लग रहा है फर्स्ट टाइम सुन रहे हो तुम लोग. तो अभी खत्म हुआ स्टेप कंप्लीट. हाँ तो मैलेट को फिर से ऑक्सलोएसिडेट में जाना है ना, तो वो रीजेनरेट होता रहता है ऑक्सलोएसिडेट. Then malate to oxaloacetate in presence of malate dehydrogenase, and here again NADH, the production of NADH. So the 7.5, 8.5, previously 8.5. नहीं, no, see 3 NADH, तो 6 कैसे हुआ? 7.5 हुआ ना, 2.5 करके 1 NADP is 2.5 ATP, तो 3 ATP, 3 NADH, 1 GTP and 1 FADH. तो FADH is 1.5 and 1 GTP equal to 1 ATP equal to 10. तो total ATP like generated in TCA cycle is 10 ATP. पूरा समझ आया अभी स्टार्टिंग से पूरा साइकिल? वैसे साइकिल पूरा रट्टा मारना होता नहीं है, बस कौन सा स्टेप पे क्या चल रहा है, कौन से एंजाइम के प्रेजेंस पे कितना एटीपी जनरेट हो रहा है, बस वही. So this is the steps. So this is the table where like that which is the reaction, that in which reaction in presence of which enzyme how much NADPH and like NADPH, FADH or GTP, the in total production of how many ATPs. So this is the chart you can write if you want to write. No one wants to write? Can I change? No photo. So regulation of oxidative decarboxylation and Krebs cycle. So PDH complex and the TCA cycle are both upregulated in the response to a decrease in the ratio of ADP ATP or that NADH ratio with NAD plus. ATP ADP and NADH with NAD plus. Then TCA cycle activators are ADP and calcium ion, and TCA cycle inhibitors are ATP and NADH. ये तो सबको पता है, तुम लोग बुक्स खोलोगे तो ये सारे लिखा होगा वहाँ पे. पर विटामिन का कुछ रोल है TCA साइकिल में? Any vitamin involves in TCA cycle? B2 क्या है? B2 क्या है? फ्लेविन. क्या रोल है फ्लेविन का? तो B ग्रुप ऑफ विटामिन, B1, B2, B3, B5. मैंने बोल दिया, अभी रोल्स बोलो सारे के. B1 बोलो, जो भी बोलना है. B1 है क्या? So what is the role? See that pyruvate to acetyl CoA conversion, that conversion happens in under of which enzyme? Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, PDHC enzyme. So this that thiamine pyrophosphate, that phosphorylated form of thiamine. So this is the cofactor for PDHC. Cofactor for PDHC and also cofactor for alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. So this thiamine pyrophosphate is the cofactor for these two. So this is the main role, the main that vitamin, the thiamine. Then so this is the reason now why like in this thiamine deficiency, why there is that neuronal change, there is nerve damage or anything. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Like on this basis, what is the reason in the like neuronal damage in thiamine deficiency? See, this is the main thing na, that main two steps, that pyruvate to acetyl CoA, and the main step that alpha ketoglutarate, that dehydrogenase. So this is the main factor, that cofactor for these two. If this is not happening, so there is decreased energy production, and so brain cells are damaged because of that decreased ATP production. So there is hampering in glycolysis, decreased ATP production, and so this hampers that brain cells. That's why there is neuronal damage or neuronal any psychopathy, anything. So this is thiamine, vitamin like B1, B2. So this is the cofactor for the precursor, that cofactor for FAD. And B3, the precursor for NAD and NADH plus. And B5, CoA. The B5, the synthesis, that the CoA. So coenzyme is synthesized from vitamin B5. Or anything else regarding TCA cycle? So what is that common factor for urea cycle and TCA cycle? How? So कोरिलेशन बोलो, कैसे बोल, जो बोल रहा था. हाँ, एंड विथ वाटर वो एल मिलेट पे होता है.